Replace controller. Step 1. Remove the cable screw here. Step 2. Remove 3 screws of the control board. Take off the controller. Suggestion: take a photo of the controller to remember where the cables are. Step 3. Press the clip on the power cord cables to remove them. Please remember the order of the cables is from left to right, white, red, black. Press the clip on the incline motor cables to remove cables. These two are the motor cables. Remember, the order of the cables is from up to down, white, black, red. Use pliers to grab the clamp on the cable and remove it. Remove the adhesive from the cable terminals on the controller by hand. Press the clip of the terminal to remove the cable. Remove the adhesive, glue, and cables. Remove the adhesive glue of the black communication cable. Press the clip on the terminal to unplug the cable. Remove the ground wire by pressing the clip on the terminal. Step 4. The iron plate of the controller also needs to be removed. Use the 5mm wrench included in the toolkit to remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the iron plate. Install the new controller. Step 1. Install the iron plate onto the new controller first. Note that the screw holes for the plate are on the top and placed on the back of the controller. Align the screw holes between the iron plate and the controller. Install the plate by turning the screws clockwise. Install the nuts onto the rear end of the screws to secure them. Step 2. Plug in all the wires on the controller. 1. Find the wires of the power switch. Plug the red cable into the ACL port. Plug the black cable into the ACN port. Plug the blue terminal wire into the center of the controller. Insert the whiter terminal wire into the location below the controller here. Find the yellow ground wire and plug it into here. The wires connected to the motor are plugged into here. White wire inserts into the top. Black wire inserts into the middle. Red wire inserts into the bottom. Insert this terminal to the red port here. The notched part of the terminal faces inwards. Insert the incline motor cable into here on the top of the controller. Insert the black wire into the rightmost port. Insert the red wire into the middle port. Insert the white wire into the leftmost port. Check that all wires are plugged in tightly. Step 3. Make sure the wires are not pressed under the controller when you put it in. Align the screw holes. Step 4. Find a screwdriver and use it to tighten the screws on the iron plate. Tuck the wires into the cabin slightly. Step 5. Find the 3 ground wires and connect them. Turn the screw clockwise to secure the ground wire to the frame. Here, put all the wiring in the engine compartment. Step 6. Plug in the power cord, turn on the power switch, and see if the treadmill can work normally.